This is the Mornington Peninsula, a place of rolling plains and endless skies. It's here, amidst this rural tapestry, that our story unfolds, the story of Merricks House. The design of Merricks House was a journey of discovery. Originally, the idea was to create a dwelling that seemed almost hidden, submerged in the earth. But as the project progressed, a fascinating shift occurred. The architects faced a unique set of constraints. The flatness of the land, the flood risk, and the need to capture the stunning southern vista all played a role in shaping the design. However, another factor emerged: the desire to celebrate the building's presence in the landscape. The solution was a powerful statement. Merricks House emerged as a monument of materiality and structure, a testament to human ingenuity. The design embraced the contrasting elements. The flatness of the land met the soaring rooflines, and the openness towards the south was balanced by the introduction of northern light through skylights and courtyards. Stepping inside Merricks House, we encounter a celebration of natural materials. The raw beauty of timber, stone, concrete, and steel resonates throughout, reflecting the client's desire for an honest and unpretentious space. The spatial planning is equally impressive. A clear grid system creates a sense of order, contrasting with the organic curves of the landscape outside. A particularly striking feature is the colonnade. These strong columns, running along the length of the house, are punctuated by large windows. This juxtaposition between the solidity of the masonry and the transparency of the glass creates a captivating visual rhythm. Merricks House is more than just a structure, it's a haven. It's a place where natural light bathes the interior, where the connection with the outdoors is ever present, and where a family can create lasting memories. Merricks House, a journey in stone and light, stands as a symbol of architectural exploration and the harmonious relationship between humanity and nature. It's a story whispered by the wind, a testament to the enduring power of good design.